everyone! Today let's make a pineapple craft. We will need green color paper, scissors, a cup, yellow paint, a paintbrush, marker, a pencil, and glue. Let's get started. First, we need to paint our cup yellow. While we wait for our cup to dry, let's use this green color paper and draw out the leaves of the pineapple head. And there you have it. Now, once your cup is dry, let's stick the pineapple leaf onto the cup, just like this. Almost there. Now, you can use a marker and draw little X's all over the cup. What can we use our little pineapple for? We can use it to keep some stationeries like crayons, color pencils, clothes peg, and many more. There you have it.